One, two, three. One, two, three. Okay. Okay, that's working. Let's do it. All right. So here, let's go over here. Like we got a 50% level over here. We got the 50% level down here, right? So we could look for longs from there. Morning, Gonzo. And if you go on to the hourly time frame, let's look for some hourly swing highs, swing lows. This is a beautiful place to reverse from. This hourly swing low down here. So you can see, okay, looks like ES already took it out, which is interesting because there is a bullish SMT there. But yeah, there's an hourly swing low over here, the 50% level over here, and if we don't reverse from there, we have this Asia low. And for our buy side, we have this London high, and then we have this hourly swing high over here, which is also inside this hourly bearish fair value gap. So yeah, we could look for a place from either one of those areas. All right. Am I recording on a potato? Oh my god, why does it look like that? Why does it look like that? Okay, give me a second. Let me restart the stream. What the heck? There we go. That's much better. That's better, yeah? It looks better for me. Yeah, that looks way better. Okay. Let me get out ES's 50%. Oh, where is it? Okay, there we go. All right. Let's see what we can do here, folks. Tons of liquidity. Yeah, I don't want to jinx it, so I'm not gonna say anything. But yeah, Monday was break even. Tuesday was slightly red. Basically, if it was any less red, I would have counted as break even. But yeah, we'll be good. You know what I was realizing, guys? Like, if I like those original rules that I taught to all of my students before I came back to America, if I had just like followed all of those and just never made any tweaks, we wouldn't have had a single red day. Because listen to me, last Friday was green. Like the last Friday was green. Last Monday it would have been break even. Tuesday, Wednesday, I wouldn't have taken any trades because it's the day before and the day of FOMC. The only reason I traded this because like all the other big traders do, but I think now I'm not gonna trade those days anymore. Thursday and Friday were both green. Monday was break even, and yesterday should have been break even too. But like I just did one small little trade because of I was very sketched out about that data candle in the first place, that fake data candle. So yeah, so just follow your rules. You will be profitable. We're tapping the ES 50% level over here. I mean, I'm still green, not as much as I'd like, but still green. Tapping the ES 50% level over here. What do you mean you can't hear? Oh my god. Can you guys not hear? Hello? So it's just I know Bob trolling me. Okay, good. Yes, it's tapping to 50% level. I expect us to disrespect this and dump to NQ's 50% level. So hopefully we can just keep going. Come on, dump over here. Very nice. Yeah, I would love longs from this 50% level. And if not, we got this hourly swing low. And if not, we got this Asia low. So do your worst. Okay, don't do your worst price, actually. No, I didn't say that. Don't do your worst. Um, this is a pre-market low, yeah? Pre-market low over there. I don't really use this level, but if we're going to be tapping the 50% level and sweeping it out at the same time, that would be a beautiful long setup. Oh, I forgot to send in the alert. Give me 1 second. So there goes the pre-market lows, and we have a bullish SMT right now. You can see ES just took out its pre-market lows and NQ didn't. So we do have a bullish SMT right now. So look over here. We took out this pre-market low from 814, and you can see we never took it out on NQ. So there is a huge bullish SMT, and you can see us just reacting out of it perfectly. What's good, Hadi? Beautiful divergence. Beautiful, beautiful reaction out of it. But just can't trade the open. Beautiful reaction out of it. I would have loved this long. Would have loved this long. Yeah, I just seen that. Okay, we just swept out this hourly swing high. Shorts are technically valid. Let's see what happens. Beautiful reaction off that bullish SMT though. You see, guys, this stuff works. Sweep out the pre-market low, made a bullish SMT, tapped into the hourly bullish for value gap, and then boom. Okay, so we're gonna sweep London here. We're gonna have a massive bearish SMT with it, so I'm definitely gonna be looking for shorts from there. Give it to me, give it to me. Give it to me, give it to me. Come on up. Come on up. Sweep out that London high. I mean, shorts are technically valid right now. Yeah. Let's see what happens. I think if we reverse I with good momentum, I will take this. But we should take out that London high. ES holding the 50% as well. That's right. Okay. So you can see we're tapping the 50% of the range on ES as well. So we're also tapping a 5 minute bullish for value, bearish for value gap as well. But yeah, we took out an hourly swing high. Longs are valid. I mean, not longs. I'm sorry, shorts. We also made this 1 minute bearish OB. Obviously, I would prefer if we get the London high sweep as well. Because look, we would also be tapping this bearish or valley gap over here. So yeah, and it's a hourly swing high inside of a bearish straight valley gap. So shorts would definitely be very nice there. Plus, the trend for the week has been bearish, right? So it fits too. So it's definitely good. 30 seconds humongous. Okay. Ooh, could take this 30 second over here. 207.5. Let me see this. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yep, and that gap is gone. God damn it. 212.75. Yeah, I can't take this. Too small. Okay, I'm gonna take the 1 minute. I think the 1 minute has the best confluences. I mean the best win rate. So I think I'm gonna carry favor with the 1 minute here. Beautiful reaction too. Beautiful reaction. Yeah, we looking at the short, folks. Yeah, but you can't risk as much. Yeah, but beautiful reaction. I'm gonna take the short. Sorry. Ooh, you guys want me to take the 2 minute? I guess. Oh man, this is some insane momentum. Holy. Okay. I won't chase. Oh my god. Okay. 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 I'm in. Okay, I'm in. Insane momentum off of that. But that's great momentum. That's like the exact kind of momentum we look for every single time. Okay, let me see this 3 minute. We just need to inverse this 3 minute for value gap, and we should be good. You can see we're doing that perfectly. Okay, very nice. I'm gonna go break even at this 153 swing low. Okay, I think I'm gonna go break. Oh my god, it is wicking very badly. Okay, I'm going break even over here. I'm going break even right there. I hope to God it doesn't take me out break even. You guys can trim, but I'm not going to. It's not even 1 hour. Okay, I'm out break even there. I could re-enter on this. I could re-enter on this 3 minute bearish for value gap. Damn, crazy wick. Just got out break even. Let's see if we can retrace to the 3 minute. Let's see if we can retrace into this 3 minute and try to get a re-entry. Or maybe retap to AES 50%. Like if we can make a bearish OB on this 3 minute, I would definitely take it. Yeah. Yo, Emmy, where should I exit the trade? If you're still in, I'd probably still hold, bro. Like maybe go trim some if you want to. Yeah, I went break even. We took out the swing low, so and I was up like 30 points of profit, 20 points of profit. So it wasn't 1 hour for me, but I mean, okay, let's see if we can just get an order block over here, and I would take it on the 3 minute. Okay, if we it looks like we could retrace into this 3 minute bearish fair value gap over here. I want an order block first. I wanted to retest the gap, Venture. If we can retest this gap and make an order block, I'm gonna get in on that. You didn't go break even? Okay, there we go. Tapping that gap. Damn, you got a crazy good fill. How'd you do that? I'm not trimming there, bro. That's like less than 1 hour of profit. There's no way in hell I trim that early. I hate that. Okay, so we are tapping into here right now. Tapping into here right now. Okay. Oh, that's such a nice wick reaction to that. That's such a nice BPR tap. I'm going to, if we can just get a little bit of a order block, just an order block, I'm gonna take it. Okay. $50? Fire, bro. Good shit. Wow. Okay. Oh, let's see if we can actually bounce off the ES 50% level here then. Let's see if we can retap this ES 50% level. Would love shorts. Looks like the break even saved you too, so I don't hate. I think my executions were fine. I think my executions were fine over here. Yeah. Yeah, I had good executions. Okay, we are tapping the ES 50% level. No reaction to it whatsoever. Let's see what we can get. If you guys made any money on that post, and hashtag profits. But we are tapping this 50% level. Beautiful wick reaction. Oh my god, this 30-second though. Look at this 30-second. Let me see this real quick. I think I'm gonna take this re-entry. Beautiful reaction off the 50. Oh man, it's gonna dump without me. Come on. Okay. Okay, let's see this. I'm gonna take this. Why not on ES? I mean, I always want to trade in Q, you know. But I mean, you could take ES too. Retesting the 50. Retesting the 50. This 2 minute candle, hopefully it can respect and reject. Hopefully we can respect. Okay, that's a good reaction again on the 3 minute time frame. That's good. Did we make an SMT? Nah, no SMT. Okay. So still retesting that 50% level. Okay, we closed over the 50% level on the 2 minute. Okay, we closed over on all the time frames, so I'd probably just look for a whole nother setup now. Let's see. I'm going to mark out this hourly swing high over here. I'm gonna relook for shorts from that hourly swing high. Let's see. Wow, that's such a crazy reaction to that to that hourly bullish for value gap. Okay, come on, Twin. Did you pass your eval from that by any chance? All right, let's see if we can get this hourly swing high up here. 251. There is an SMT at the highs. You can see we took out this high of day on NQ, but it's not major liquidity because it's just a 15-minute old swing high, but could be valid. What gap would we even take? Wow, the 30-second is disgusting. The 1 minute, now you got this gap over here. We are rejecting beautifully from that. Rejecting beautifully from that. Let's see. This 3 minute bearish. That's insane momentum. This 3 minute? Wow, insane momentum off of that. I think this is going to be a valid re-entry if we could get it. Or, but then again, you are shorting into the 50% level. Yeah, we did take that. We are. Okay, I'm gonna re-entry over here. I think it's valid. I think this is valid. Insane momentum from that. Wow. You can see we just made an SMT at the highs while also inside the hourly bearish fair value gap. So I don't mind this short over here. And we're getting crazy momentum. Like I know it's not a significant high, but the momentum is just crazy. Okay. Let's see if we can get an entry here. Fire, bro. Good shit. Okay, I'm in there. I'm in there. Okay, not out yet. Wow. Crazy V-shaped reversal. Hold on. All right, I'm gonna get out probably. Yeah, I'm out there. Wow. Okay, I mean that was a valid re-entry. We had a bearish SMT at the highs, and then yeah, bearish SMT at the highs right there. I mean, it just completely disrespected that BPR. Try to see if we can re-enter from like maybe this hourly swing high up here. We got this hourly swing high up over here. Could retry shorts from there. No, we took the short, but that hit break even before a trim. Okay, we just made another SMT at the highs. Yeah. Valid re-entry. I mean, that's what I would take. I love the momentum from that. Wow. We took one BE, one L. Probably maybe we could have waited for this 30-second, but the issue is you're shorting right into the 50% level. Okay, we just remade another SMT. Wow. Okay, I'm not taking this anything over here. Yeah. Oh yeah, if you look at the 5 minute, definitely doesn't look great. He entered a bit earlier than me. Took an earlier entry. And I didn't trim on the first trade because it wasn't even 1 hour. Yeah, as long as you guys are green. There's a lot of manipulation going on here. You're 70 points up. Yeah, that's on you, bro. Should have closed. Okay, price action is definitely not ideal right now. Yeah, if you look on the 4 minute time frame, it's just very compact candles with no kind of clear move. 3 minute time frame as well. I'm just gonna sit here and watch. Hmm. Yeah, very. You see, we just were retapping to 50% on ES over here. It, yeah, there's like 0 5 minute fair value gaps, no space between any of these candles. You see, when when the candles are just so close and compact together, it's just gonna be bad PA. Hmm. Crazy. PA, PA is horrendous right now. Holy shit. This PA is terrible. This PA is horrendous. Look at that. This is the definition of sideways PA. Okay, there's the hourly swing high. There is the hourly swing high. Just took this out. Could look for shorts. Where are we gonna go? What gap do we have? Probably this lower 30-second. 211, 219.75, 18. Okay, let me see this upper gap over here. That is a very nice wick reaction. 232. Yeah, okay. So could take this upper 30-second. Yeah. Could try this upper 30-second. If this fails, then I'm just gonna lock it down. We also tapped a 4-hour gap, which is why I'm gonna try it. So yeah, I'm gonna try this over here. Okay, so yeah, we swept an hourly swing high. We're in premium of the range. It's a good setup. If it fails, it fails. Can't cry about it. See if we get it. I mean, tariff talks, right? It should dump anyways. We'll see. Okay, let's see if we reverse here. We have to wait for ES to sweep out London. Okay, zero reaction right there. Might have to wait for ES to take out London high right here. Which is right over here. Did you take any trade? Yeah, 1BE, 1L. You can see price just ranged in this very tight, compact moves over here. Almost nothing to get over here. See? Okay, let's see what happens here. This is going to be my last trade of the day if it fails. 276, 4 hours. 276. Right there? Okay. I got it. Okay, let's see if we can reverse. If we can reverse right now, I'll probably take this nice little 2 minute that we got over here. So far, zero reaction to the hourly swing high sweep though. Yeah. The funny thing is, I was looking for longs at first, but like you see all of this in the middle. How are you gonna get an entry and all that? Mm-hmm. There's just zero entry for any of it. Absolutely zero entry for any longs. You see, you could have like maybe like just tried this bullshit long over here on the 3 minute. You would have entered and it would have hit your break even. Okay, so I think ES is obviously going up towards the London high. So everything got cooked today. Yeah. I mean that's good, bro. If the other good traders are getting cooked too, so I feel better about myself. Bro, like what is this PA? Just chopped everywhere, bro. See? All of the straight up chop and consolidation and whatever. Yeah, fair enough, yeah. It's crazy. Yesterday wasn't ideal. Monday wasn't ideal. Yeah. Top's are gonna make a lot of money today. That's funny. Oh no, he's not red. He trimmed before 1 hour. He trimmed at like 0.7 R, 0.6 R, and now calls it a green day. He trimmed for 17 points. 17-point trim with a 20 25-point stop loss. Like, what's the point of securing 0.2 R, brother? Sometimes I miss for value gaps on my own. That's why. I mean, obviously, I'm not like exactly following him, right? Like, I didn't trim where he trimmed, and yeah, I obviously have my own style. Set your TP at 15 points. But I didn't take it, did I? I didn't take it. Okay, I think I'm just gonna wait for ES to draw up to the London high, and that's probably gonna be my last shot at this. Incredible PA. Incredible PA. None of this is even Temple's fault. This is just price action. We took good trades. We are getting some momentum here. I'm not gonna try it. Bro, no one is gonna trim at like 0.6 R, dog. No one is doing that shit. Okay, let's see this again. We did tap the CE of the hourly bearish for value gap. We did tap the CE of this hourly bearish for value gap as well. I'm not in love with it. I guess it is technically valid because they do have an hourly swing high sweep. Probably I like this 3 minute more if I'm gonna be honest. How big is this 3 minute? 256, 266, and you would be just targeting. Yeah, he probably can't do the 3 minute because he trimmed before 2R. I mean 1R. This could be a valid setup here. Definitely a valid setup here. It is decent momentum. Pretty good momentum off of that sweep as well. But then again, like we've been seeing, Price just fakes us out with that momentum recently. All right, if this fails, I'm definitely calling it a day. This is valid. You're getting great momentum. He's already in. What did you even take? Oh, the lower 2 minute. No, maybe that's the lower 1 minute or something. Oh, it's the lower. Yes, the lower 1 minute. Okay, it is valid. It is valid. Okay, we are getting entry here. Okay. Valid short. If this fails, then for sure. We'll see what happens. What's good, Paolo? How you been, brother? I said, what's good, brother? Okay. Ooh, nice. Okay. Um, do I go break even there? I don't think so. I do not think so. Trying to see if we took out like some kind of swing low. No swing low anywhere. Yeah, beautiful rejection over there. Could could make this 1 minute. Yeah, it looks clean so far. If we can make this order block, I think I would go break even because we should respect that order block. Okay, I'm going to go break even once we make this 1 minute bear show B. There's no way I Okay, I'm gonna. Okay, no order block yet. Okay, yeah, okay, I'm gonna go break even. That almost hit TP right there. Okay, I'm gonna go break even right there. But yeah, you guys could trim. You guys could trim there. No order block. Are you kidding me? No order block. Unbelievable. No order block. I mean, I'm still break even. That went down significantly. I've been in. Yes, I've been in. I said I was in. Okay, let it keep going. Keep going. Okay, I just made up all my losses with that. Beautiful. Just made up all my losses with that one. Just made up all of my losses with that one. We are tapping the ES 50% of the range. We are tapping the ES 50% of the range right there. We'll see. Hopefully you guys took that. But we are tapping the ES 50% of the range right now. Yes, I did. So yeah, we are reacting off to 50% of the range right there. I could call it here, just take the break even. This 3 minute long could be beautiful. Well, beautiful reaction, man. Beautiful, beautiful reaction off the ES 50. Beautiful reaction off the ES 50. No, it could bounce over here. This could be a valid long set of empathy. Oh my god, he is in drawdown. That's way too big. Who took that with me? Anyone took that with me? That 50% reaction is so nice, dude. I really like this 3 minute ES. Here's what I'm. That's such a beautiful reaction. If we can keep that up. Let's see what it looks like. Yep, Venture's right. If you're okay with losing, the answer to if you're taking a good trade is, would you be okay with losing it? And if your answer is yes, then it's a good trade. If your answer is no, then it's a bad trade. Wow. Okay. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful short. You guys still in? I'm up decently. Yes, I took it. Guys, what's up? I said I was in it. Okay, you just made a 2 minute bearish order block. You could try this. The issue is that ES is tapping 50%. How you never got break even? I got a good fill. I was filled in at like 2, 2, 3, 4. Wow. Keep it dumping. Let's go. Keep that dumping, baby. Come on now. Guys, what is this talk you guys are saying that I didn't signal? I said I'm in. Like, what more do you want me to say besides I'm in? Bro, beautiful short though, guys. Nice. I'm gonna trail my stop over here. Wow, beautiful. I'm gonna trail my stop over here. Yeah, I'm green. I'm gonna be green now if that trailing stop hits. Beautiful. Chipotle is in Chipotle is in agony. Wow, beautiful. Who's in these shorts, baby? Oh my god. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful shorts. Did I re-enter? I never got hit break even. I did add in a little on this order block, and that's why now I'm decently green. But here, I'll look for another. I'm gonna be done for. Wow, I'm gonna be done for the day now. I'm gonna be done for the day, but we are tapping to 50% of the range. I'm gonna call this one for you guys. Let's see. We are tapping to 50% of the range right now. Price action is finally being good to us. Okay. Okay, let's see this 30-second again. What do we got? 196, 185, 9 point gap. I'm gonna be green for the day no matter what. You guys can try it, but I am going to be green. Ooh, beautiful reaction. Beautiful reaction. You guys could be saved. You guys could be saved. That's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful reaction. That's a beautiful reaction. Holy moly. That's a beautiful reaction right there. How much would I risk if you're trading 150Ks? I mean, I'm going to be done for the day. But, wow. Beautiful short. You're up like 80 points right now. Beautiful fucking short right there. Price action is finally good again. Wow. That is resilience. You see that, guys? That is resilience. We also have an SMT at the lows. You can see we took out this low of day on ES, and we haven't taken it out. This is even better than I thought. We have a bullish SMT along with this 50% tap. This is even better than I thought. You want to stop rage baiting Chipotle? Look over here. You can see we took out this 930 swing low on ES and we didn't take it out on NQ. There's a beautiful bullish SMT with a 50% tap over here. I would love a long if we could get it. If we could just get this long, I would absolutely love it. Oh man. He's the mod, not you, Chipotle. We are stalling a bit over here, which isn't ideal. But yeah, I'm personally done for the day. Beautiful SMT at the lows with it as well. This could definitely be good. Need momentum. Need some momentum back in the game. You see, 196.75. Okay. Beautiful. Wow. Okay, your entry is about to come up here. Valid setup if you missed that long. I am green for the day. I am green for the day, but this is a beautiful setup. Beautiful setup over here. Okay, you are gonna get entry here. This is a great long, guys. I think you guys should take this if you're red or break even. There is entry, I believe. It closed over, right? Did close over. Wow. Hello. Hello. We're looking. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Beautiful. Come on, guys. Okay, keep that pushing. Keep that. Okay. Okay. Let's see how this does. Wow. Okay, you wouldn't be stopped out yet. But wow. It's like a B plus. Look at that. Look at that. Are you kidding me? Look at that. It's still going. So even though the gap invalidated, I personally wouldn't have been out yet. If you guys want to take a re-entry, you guys can try this 2 minute. Wow. Wow, beautiful. There we go. Beautiful. Okay, there we go. We are so back. I'm done for the day, bro. I'm definitely done for the day. You guys could take this on the 2 minute. I mean, now your fill will be horrendous, so probably wouldn't take it anymore. But yeah, this is a good trade. It was a good setup in my opinion. Definitely a good setup in my opinion. Tap to 50% of the range. Beautiful reaction. It's a good setup. For sure, man. Good luck. Best of luck to you, brother. Why did you ping the channel? You know what's crazy? We are wicking like crazy. We are wicking so badly, dude. This is so bad. We are wicking so badly. I see longs. It's just that you see this 2 minute IVG is still holding. It's just price action is so damn wicky. Wow. You could take this 3 minute, I guess. You are making a 3 minute bullish order block as well, which would be good. Yeah, this would be my re-entry. That momentum is insane. How much would you even risk over here? Crazy. This would be my re-entry spot over here. You just need ES to break above this 50% level, but longs are definitely looking good. SMT at the lows, beautiful tap off the 50%. Bullish order block as well. It's a good setup. By all means, a good setup. Okay, there is your entry. Looking good. Nice. Looking amazing. Beautiful, beautiful. Keep it pushing. Keep it pushing, baby. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Who took that shit, baby? Who took that shit, baby? There we go. Who took that? Who took that? Y'all were talking shorts. Y'all were talking shorts. You guys were talking shorts. Who's the man? Come on. Who's the man? What shorts? What shorts? What shorts? That's not a B- setup. I told you that was a good setup. God damn it. I told y'all that was a good setup. What shorts? Bang! Come on, bro. Come on. Bang. It looks like it's going to hit you break even. But you guys should have trimmed on that shit. Beautiful, 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 bro. I told you guys that's going to work. I knew that was going to work. I knew that was going to work. Beautiful trade right there, man. Beautiful trade right there, bro. Woo! Damn. How many of you guys took that long? Beautiful setup, dude. Beautiful setup. You didn't take that Chipotle? Why are you guys saying that's a bad setup? Why are these guys hating on my setup? I told you, you tapped the 50% with a beautiful reaction, made a bullish order block, and a bullish SMT. This is the thing of dreams. Yeah, that's why I re-entered on the 3-minute. Oh, that's my 4th winning day, by the way. Today is my 4th winning day. So one more day and I'm eligible for another payout. Beautiful, dude. Wow. Paolo, you are a bitch. Bro said, I hope you blow it. This guy is a bitch. Oh my god, I have a bunch of haters over here. I got a ton of haters over here. That's insane. Beautiful. Oh my god. You guys are so up. I'm not posting that shit, boy. This is gonna fly. This is gonna fly. So you took it. What did you take? The shorts? I call the shorts too, bucko. Beautiful reaction, dude. Beautiful, beautiful fucking reaction. Yes, sir. Love you too, brother. Love you too. You see how we come back? You see how we come back? Come on, bro. Come on. A little less than 1 hour, but definitely up. 4th winning day. Gonna request a payout soon. Woo! Chipotle, I got you, bro. I'll call another one for you. Price action is behaving now, so we should be good. Give me a second. Let me grab my phone real quick. Give me 1 second. But you guys, I would still be in over here. I would trim half at 1 hour. Actually, it hasn't hit your trim yet. Okay, it's about to, okay, yeah, go ahead and trim half at 1 hour right there. But give me 1 second. Let me grab my phone. Oh, I'm sorry. I was muted all this time. Are you a full time trader now? What does that mean? Like, I do make money from like my tutoring service. But I'm also a student, right? So, yeah. What you study political science. I'm gonna go into law. But getting rich won't hurt either. Man, what a fucking day. Do you see how we bounce back, baby? Do you see how we bounce back? And everyone was telling shorts. Everyone was talking about shorts. Everyone was talking about shorts. Oh my god. I told you guys, I love this setup. I'm gonna be a bad lawyer, man. Fuck you. Hey, if you guys want this is a valid re-entry over here on the MES 3 minute. MES 3 minute is a valid re-entry. You guys can try take a stab at this. You guys can take a stab on this MES 3 minute. For sure. Like I said, you guys can take a stab on this MES 3 minute. It's a beautiful long setup. Bang, bro. Come on. So what, bro? This trade recap is gonna be hard to finish. What is it? One BE, one W, one L. One BE, one W, one L. Yeah, I think that fits. One BE, one W, one L. Yeah. I mean, don't worry. Today wasn't. Today went from horrendous to beautiful. It's crazy. Can I ask you a law question? What about it? Like, I go to Nova Southeastern. It's like a private college here. I got a good scholarship. Chipotle, stop asking me about my personal life and look at this re-entry. I would take this re-entry over here. I would take this re-entry over here. I would take this re-entry over here, guys. I mean, it's not gonna be A plus, but it's definitely valid. Definitely valid. Definitely valid. Do I have a girlfriend? I did up until like the first half of this year. We broke up over like she's a good person, so I don't hate her. But yeah, like look, guys, just get money first, okay? You guys aren't gonna be able to date anyone if you don't have money. Get money. I mean, get in over here. Your MES 3 minute is coming in. Your MES 3 minute entry is coming in. Right over here. Your MES 3 minute entry is over here. Hello. You guys seeing this, right? I like this re-entry. I think it's valid. I'm locked, but it is valid. Okay, so no entry there. ICT is made up. What happened to this kid? That was so random too. Are you selling the longs? Oh man, beautiful, beautiful fucking longs. Oh, who is still in these longs? Come on, no one should be red today unless your name is Chipotle. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful fucking trade, dude. Beautiful fucking trade. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, I'll take that to DMs, man. I'm trying to run a business over here. I'm in the ES long. Okay, there is your entry here. So let's get into ES long. Wow, already going up. Beautiful. Your ES long entry is there. It's gonna be a loss. Don't listen to that kid. It's valid. I mean, it's not the best setup, but I think I would curry favor with it. Why long and premium? I don't really use premium with discount like that, right? It's just a re-entry, right? I'll use premium with discount if it's a liquidity sweep, but this is just a re-entry, and you can see we're tapping off of this bullet lower bullish for value gap perfectly, and we're having insane momentum already. So I like it. Tomato, you are looking good, brother. Tomato, you are looking good. I would go. Where would I go break even? Your fill would be here. Probably go break even at 351. Calling me kid is crazy, Emmy. Shit, Phil. How did you get a shit, Phil? The candle closed all the way down here. Oh, you chased. Of course you chased. Look, wait, you already made money today, right, Tomato? Pull up to a fan. Just 139. Okay, so risk your profits on this setup. Okay, if you're risking more than that, go ahead and just take some cons off. You're still at entry. So if you're risking more than 139, go and take some contracts off until you're risking 139. If this hits stop loss, then you're done for the day. If this hits SL, you are done for the day. Do not take anything else. We'll see. Let's see. We're tapping the CE of this IFG right here. The 50% of the 1 hour bearish for value gap. Yeah, I get that, but I mean, like I said, it's not the best setup, but it's still a valid re-entry. This guy. Okay, looking good. See. Okay, Chipotle, you can get out break even now if you don't like it. It just came back up to entry. It's still at entry. Well, like 0.25. 47.5. How did you get that bad of a fill? Okay, whatever. I'm gonna save $80 if I get out now. Price is bullish. That's why I called this. Price is bullish. Okay. 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 Hey, back at entry, Chipotle. So now you don't have an excuse. It's back at entry, Chipotle. You can get out if you don't want it, okay, Chipotle? So you can't blame me now. It's back at entry right now, so you can get out if you want to. You can get. He probably got out. he probably got. He probably got out right. He probably did. He probably did. Okay, now watch it fly. Now watch it fly. He got out. He faded Emmy. Now he shall pay the price for fading Emmy. So you're out, right? Yo, Paolo, you are a rage baiter. All this time you've been telling him to get out. Paolo is a rage baiter. Bro is the devil on his shoulder. Oh my god. Bro is evil. All this time he's been telling him, get out, get out, get out. All right, Chipotle. Let's see how this goes. 10 MES? What is this man doing? I mean, that's actually not crazy. That's just one mini. Yeah, that's nothing crazy. Okay, and it is going very nicely. Like I said, right? You're going good. You are going good. Beautiful. I 347. I would go break even here. I would go break even. Bang! Bang! Chipotle! Chipotle! Yo, Chipotle! Yo, Chipotle! Yo, Chipotle! Ha! I told you, buddy. I told you, buddy. So now just hit TP. You should trim half. Tomato, what's your fill? Yo, you guys should still be in these longs, dog. You guys should still be in these longs. You pussy. Of course you did. What am I raising over here, man? I'm raising a bunch of cowards. All my students are cowards. Okay, look. You should be break even over here. You should trim half over here. How's Tempo doing? He's like green 0.2 R. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. What did I tell you guys? And everyone was talking about shorts. Everyone was talking about shorts. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that. Bang. All right. Where would I trail my stop? Where would I even trail my stop? I would, bro. If you stay the original entry, I mean, I was still green from that massive short, but this is up 70 points right now. This is up 70 points right now. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful, man. No one should be red today. Chipotle's hard rules is to panic. I told you guys that shit was gonna work. I told y'all that should work. Beautiful, bro. I will trail stop to like. Hey, where's Zach? Is Zach still here? Bro told me what about premium discounts? You see why didn't care about this one? It's a valid re-entry. I like the momentum. I mean, maybe in other cases I would care about it. Not in this case. I think it looked good enough. Beautiful. So you see, guys, let's talk about risk management real quick. Yeah. On this short, I lost like 650 bucks. On the first short, I lost like 650 bucks. The second short, I made like $900. So, risk management, baby. One trade made up all for it. I'd probably get out over here. Probably get out over here. I would probably get out over here. But yeah. Oh wow. Let's see if it reacts. Very nice, guys. Very nice. Why did you get out break even, Chipotle? Why? So, some of my students should tell Chipotle to get with the mentorship. What a beautiful trade, dude. What a beautiful trade. You know how weird this is? Like, the first half of the day was just horrendous PA. And then suddenly we picked up speed. We got a 70-point short and now an 80-point long. Crazy. 2 and Q. Yo, you're crazy, dog. I did say this was a good setup. I did say all the way from down here you would have entered 218. 286, so 70 points. 70 points. What prop firm is 90% right now? Bolonox. Use code Emmy. I'm kidding. I don't have a code yet. But yeah. Man, fuck code Tempo. I don't have a code yet. I will make one though. I'll make one soon. Tempo's a millionaire, dog. You don't need to give him no more money. Go donate to me. Here, I'll send in my cash app. Gonza, how you did today, brother? You green, red, purple? What's up? Oh, wow. Man, if you guys are still in this, man, congrats to you, dog. Look, this is how we come back from a loss, guys. This is how we come back from a loss. Unreal. Unreal. Let's look at price action in the first few minutes. Look at this. This is some BS. Wakes on both sides and everything, everything. Zero compact. Do you guys see the difference? Do you guys see the difference between the PA over here? You guys see the difference between this PA and this PA? There's a huge difference. Look, in this PA, you are making zero gaps. There's no space between the candles, right? No space between the candles. Very tight, compact. This PA, smooth. It's spaced out. It has clear gaps. It retraces into gaps. It's amazing. Wow, what a fucking trade. If you took this, you're up like 2R right now. Hadi, you took this, bro? Let me. You asked the most random questions. I need to make more roles. I need to make more roles. I need to lock in for roles. It's just like there's so much more important stuff, that I gotta take care of. I like size. Never change your sizing, guys. Never change your sizings. Let the probabilities work in your favor. Never change your sizings. Never do that. Some of you guys say, "Oh, I'm gonna size down on a lower probability setup." If it's a lower probability setup, don't take the damn setup. What the heck are you doing? What? Doesn't make any sense. Yazan, how you been, bro? Bro is watching me from class. Hey Zach, hey Zach, remember you was talking about with premium discount? We up, baby? I told you. Yeah, so what's up, birth control? I appreciate you, dog. You're up on the funded, yeah? Birth control Mog in the chat. He is, man. He is. I think I gotta bring back my own PFP to battle him. I'd probably be out here. I wouldn't be trading this consolidation. We are consolidating. I'd probably get out over here. Probably get out over here. I don't like all this consolidation. But yeah, man. Tough day at first, but hey, I'm still green, and hopefully you're green too. That's crazy. Chipotle, bro, I love you, man, but that's kind of on you, dog. That's kind of on you. What L did you take? Oh, I took this re-entry on the 32nd. I took this re-entry on the 32nd. We made an SMT at the highs. Yeah, this one over here. Where is it? Yeah, right over here. Made an SMT at the highs and had beautiful momentum. But yeah. I entered on where did I enter from? I entered from here on this combined. Yeah, I entered over here. I entered over here because we made an SMT. You can see we took out this high on NQ, but we never took out that high in ES. So there was a bearish SMT, and we had beautiful momentum off of that SMT. So I just took this short over here and wait. No, I don't think the 1 minute. I think it was a what time frame was it? What time frame was this? It could have been. What's I need to see what time frame is it. But yeah. Wow, these longs are still working, dog. Beautiful fucking longs. Hello. You guys should still be in these. Beautiful, bro. Come on. Today was a day to remember, man. I got it today. How do I determine bias? I don't have a bias. I just play my levels. You see, I just see if I see a nice SMT at the lows and reactions like these, then I'm definitely bullish. Like look at that beautiful bullish order block off the 50% tap. I'm loving it, dog. I love that. Whoa! Holy shit, Yazan, are you there? Can you hear me, Yazan? Or like, can you like not? Cause he's in class right now. He's watching me from class. How do you determine bias? It's better to long than to short. What? What does that even mean? You mean it's oh, you mean it's more probable for your long to work than your short? Oh, you know what? I think you might be right. Yeah, I think you might be right. Market's always bullish. Market's been bullish ever since it's been made. Like, look, let me show you guys something. Go on to the yearly time frame. Oh, I can't go on. They don't have a year time frame. What? Okay, let's go on to monthly time frame. Let's see what we got. Oh, this goes back 2001, September 11th. You see, this is all of these. Let me show you '08. This is where's '08 with the housing crash. Oh, this looks like it was '08. Where's '08? Yeah, look at '08. '08, it was just a liquidity sweep of this low, and then we just kept on moving up. You guys should have been in long from 4355 from '09. You see, look at this beautiful long setup we have over here. You would have taken this inversion over here, this combined inversion, off of the sweep of this 911 low, off of the sweep of the 911 low, and then you would just target, what would you even target? The 2000 highs, the pre 911 highs, the Bush highs, and yeah, it would have been a 5 hour trade. And it kept on going too. So I mean, it never even hit break even. So that's on you guys, man. That's on you guys if you guys didn't bank on that. The COVID lows, 2020, yeah. Yeah, you see, this was the COVID low. This was the COVID low right here. Does it even look like a bear market? Hello, that's just a pullback. The market's always bullish. The market is always gonna be bullish. So you just buy in here and then boom. This was what was this? 2022. What happened in 2022 that made the market crash? Oh, was it COVID again? What happened in 2022? There was a recession. Oh, I don't know. Back in I wasn't really. I think that was my 12th grade of 12th grade, so I wasn't really focused on politics back then. What do we got here? This is 23 October 23. I don't know what happened there. Oh, this was tariffs. You see, those tariffs were nothing. Those tariffs. Look at that wick reaction out of this February for value gap. That's nothing. So yeah, market is always bullish. That's my point. Anyways, folks, that should be 100 point trade. Quite frankly, how big is this? How big is this? 214 and 90 points. 90 point trade. Don't leave, Habibi. I need to eat breakfast. So let me eat. It's like I'm back home with my baby cousins. Yo, I feel so bad. When I was going to the airport, like that kid, he just ran away from his mom and clung onto my arm. Like, get off my arm, fat ass. Annoying ass kid, bro. Make your baby cousin profitable, man. That guy one time he grabbed a like a canister of mosquito spray, and I took that canister away from him, and he started crying. And I'm like, buddy, do you want to drink it? You retarded ass kid. He started crying, bawling his eyes out because I didn't let him drink mosquito spray. Yo, Emmy, you a Heat fan? I am. Unfortunately, I am. I watched the Jimmy Butler 2022 finals. Not the finals, the Buck series. Best series I've ever watched. Best series I've ever watched. Like, I was truly blessed to have watched that. And I'm not even like a fanatic over sports, but I'll tell you that was. I know I don't watch NFL. I don't even understand how football works. If I'm gonna be honest, how you feel about your roster this year? Ass, come on, bro. We're not doing anything. The one good thing we did is that we got Norman Powell. The one good thing we did is that we got Norman Powell, but we need to get rid of Terry Rozier at all costs. We need to get rid of terrorist Rozier. Kings, man, fuck your Kings. I will say this though, I actually like the Kings. I don't hate the Kings. Yeah, Davian Mitchell is so tough. Davian Mitchell and Norman Powell are great players. You know what was the first? My first favorite NBA team was the Suns. I love the Suns. I watched their 2022. Was it? When was their finals run? 2019. Yeah, I'm not a fan of Bam. I'm not a fan of Bam. When was the Suns finals run? Let me see. Cause I was rooting for the Suns. Suns finals run. 21. Yeah. Bro, I loved the Suns back then. I would probably still be a Suns fan, but the issue is they traded everyone on our goddamn team except Devin Booker. Like I loved Chris Paul too. And they just traded everyone. They gutted the entire team. I blame DeAndre Ayton. I blame DeAndre Ayton. That guy's a, you know what? Never mind. The guy's a millionaire, and I'm just a kid. What am I even doing? Ayton gonna kill. We'll see. We'll see. He could have been so good, bro. His ceiling was so high. He's like their own Hassan Whiteside, if I'm gonna be honest. Yeah, crazy. He had so much potential. It's sad. He's like their Hassan Whiteside, if I'm gonna be honest. Except he wasn't even in it for the money. He's just lazy. he's like Zion Williamson. It's crazy, dude. These players, they have like genuinely God given talents, like divine talents. Like they can jump higher and faster and run faster than 99.9% of people on the planet. And what do they do with that? They do some dumb shit like eating too many burgers. Like, are you kidding me? You have literal superpowers and you waste it on Burger King? What are you doing? Or they beat their wives. It's the dumbest shit. It's the dumbest shit ever. Imagine having superpowers and losing it to McDonald's. Miles Bridges too. All right, y'all take care. I gotta go get some work done. There's only 13 people left, anyways. People, bro, Paolo, if you want my address, I'll give it to you, dog. Okay, y'all take care. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.